Oh, that's a big one. It's been a while since I got out on the water, to go fishing. I'm meeting my buddy out here. Me and him actually went out last Friday and did really well, so he wanted to see if I wanted to come back out on Tuesday, see if we could rack up on some more fish or whatever. So we're actually going back to an old location that me and him haven't been to in about 3 years. So yeah, it's been a long time since we've been out here. I know we came out Friday and did really well, so we're going to try it again today. So I'll let you guys know how I do in a little bit. I should be on the water shortly. All right, you guys. Yep. Yes, sir. Climbing up these rocks. Let me see. Oh yeah. That's number 2 for today. Whoa. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. That's a huge trout. Oh man. Yeah. He looks too small. Yeah, he's too small. Yeah. Throw him back in there. No, there's other ones out there. Redfish. It's a nice red. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Took me under.
Yep. I will start throwing over there. Damn, that's a monster. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He swallowed that. Yeah. That looked like a small.
Did he get stuck?
He is right under the rocks right there. Little slick.
Let him out. Maybe he'll swim.
Oh, there he goes. A baby flounder. How funny is that? Yeah, we're gonna let you grow, man. Just go ahead and get out of here. Small jerkin is gonna rip in his just like that. Let's get these guys out of here, man. Oh, man. Yeah. These are out now. There we go. Yep. Redfish. He looks like a slot red too. Oh, he's a slot. Yeah. Yeah. It's a slot red.